Put it on our product, on our mesh. And then what we do, you can see how easily that it removes the ink. With the vented TM, of course, it would be drying instantly because the vacuum would be blowing on it, or you could use compressed air to blow dry it. And once it's dry, you can then reprint in the same area, which is very important. Okay, so this was a cotton with latex. Now I'm going to show you 100% cotton. This is a 100% cotton. We're going to do the demonstration over here. Okay, we're using our Expert 3000. As you can see, it has an adjustable nozzle, so you can narrow or widen the stream. So important not to break the thread on the fabric. You don't want it damaging the thread. You just want it removing the ink. So this was 100% cotton. Here I have a denim sample. It removes the ink. Okay, I'll do another demo on this bigger letter so you can see it better because it's a little dark. Okay, and you can see how fast it is. If you had a vented TM, it would actually be faster. You would see a result faster because as the vacuum is pulling on the chemical, it's drying it immediately, and you could see a result much faster, and it would consume much less liquid. Okay, so that was denim, and now we have here. This is looks like a polyester. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna you could see with the reflection, but it took all of the ink away. Okay, again, with compressed air, you can just dry the surface, and once it's dry, you can replace whatever it is that you were removing, you were printing. Okay, I'm going to show you here. This is like a little spot that was caused by the ink, and this is looks like an umbrella material. So I'm just going to look at how I can just spot clean that area. Oh, spot clean that area, and it takes the ink away. Okay, on these materials, you can see here that it had gotten onto some of the other images. So one other thing that we tried to do, which you can also do on some of these waterproof products, is apply the product, and then with the cloth, you can actually wipe away the ink. So that's also, and it's very important to know, we're doing this with fabric for your tagless type of products on fabric. But pad printing is used on metal, on other types of plastic, so many substrates. And so if you just apply the product, you can maybe apply it in drops on the surface, wipe with a cloth, and you can see how easily it'll come off. Okay, I have one more. I have another, this is also a waterproof type product. So I'm just going to put the product, wet the product, and then with this cloth. In this particular case, it probably needed more pressure from the gun, so we'll and then wipe with the cloth, and you could see how it removes the ink. Okay, and this is an interesting one. This is a synthetic leather. So again, this is I don't need pressure from the gun, so I'm just going to wet it. Oh, you can see. right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to dab it, because if I rub it coarsely, it could distort the synthetic leather. And you can see the result here. Once it dries, again, you can replace whatever you remove.